Let's complete together the other half of this application. For the server, we need to import the sys library for handling users' input, the socket library for creating the TCP server, then the argparse to parse the command line arguments, and finally, we need to import the threading library to support multiple clients at the same time. Pay attention here that I created a global variable to hold each client connected with the server. To start this application, first we call the main function. In the main function, we parse the port number. If it's not supplied, then we choose the port 9999 by default. Finally, we call the server listen function, and by passing the port number that we just parsed. Let's jump to the server listen function. In this function, we instantiate the socket object, and then we bind it to the local IP and port number. After that, we start listening for a maximum of 25 clients. Next, we print a friendly message, and we start our endless loop to wait for incoming client connections. If a client is connected, then we accept it. Again and again. You should already saw this logic in the third module of this course, so it should be easy now for you. Next, we print a friendly message for any incoming connections, and we store the client object in the client's collection dictionary global variable. Finally, we call the serve client function using the threading functionality, and by passing the current client object to be served. Now, it's time to start serving the client. At first, you can see that I'm using the sys.stdin.read function to get the user input. In other words, this is going to be the command that the attacker wants to execute on the victim's machine. Next, we send the command to the client. While the command is sent and had been executed, we need to wait for some time until the client will send us back the results. Following this, we print the results, and also we need to make sure that the attacker can send other commands to the victim using the raw input function. If any commands entered here by the attacker, we send it back once again. And we're done. We just built together a backdoor using Python. This is just the starting point. You can do a lot more if you want. For example, you can encrypt the communication and much more.